welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making bacalaito. So it usually comes in a packet like this, the actual fish. It's called bacalao or codfish. You get it at your regular grocery store. It's a very salty fish. So we have to get all that salt out of the fish before we prep our bacalaitos. I put one bag of bacalao in this pan. I rinsed it a couple of times to try to get some of that salt out, but it still has a lot of salt. So what I'm going to do is to get the salt out of the fish. We're going to boil the fish for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. And by boiling the fish, it will get all that saltiness out of the fish. After we boil it, I'll tell you what to do next. All we're going to need is some black pepper, sofrito cube. If you don't know how to make sofrito, I have a recipe that I created, so please check it out down below. One packet of sazon. We're gonna need some flour, about 2 cups of flour. So we're going to let this cook for 25 minutes, let that salt come out of the fish. We're gonna rinse it again, and then we'll put the whole thing together, and then we're going to fry it. We'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. My bacalao has been boiling in water for 25 minutes. I am going to rinse it out now, get it out of the water. And I am going to rinse it again under cold water. Boiled, salt out of the fish. I went ahead and melted my 1 cube of sofrito. I am going to put it in. I am putting in sazon, 1 packet, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, black pepper to taste, two cups of water, now we're going to mix it well to make it into a batter. We mix it like so. We're using some vegetable oil or canola oil, whichever you prefer. And we're going to fry them. See, the oil's getting hot. We are doing 1 spoon at a time. Each spoon is 1 bacalaito. There we go. Fry until golden brown. My bacalaitos are done. This is what they look like, the final product. You probably want to see what they look like inside, right? They're moist, full of fish, tasty, delicious. Enjoy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. See you guys. Bye.